I'm from Bihar.
Bihar, mashallah.
Yes,
Well,
Bihar. In
Bihar is a huge, like biggest state in India.
Yes, yes.
Isn't it?
In
Bihar
if you
also,
are talking,
if you,
no, that if you are talking about the density, then you can consider the UP as well. And if you are talking about the area, based on the area, that is also UP. But apart from that, that here, Bihar is also big.
yes, I see.
Mm.
So tell
Okay,
me
so
about, tell me
yes,
about yourself.
actually, first of all, I just want to say that lots of video I seen on YouTube, that you already discussed so many guys. Recently, you just so many people you just talked, like that urban country or difference of cities as well.
Hmm.
Even also, I saw that you have talked to Cambly teacher as well as, okay. So I just also thought that I should also talk with them. I'll just try at what. So my
Yeah.
just I'm briefing myself as well. My name is Sanjay Kumar. Okay. I belong from Bihar as well. My native location is that district is Jamui. That is the
Hmm.
nearby one junction is that name is Kiul Junction. Okay.
Hmm.
And as if now I'm staying at Patna, that capital of the
Hmm.
Bihar as well. Here I'm since 2015, from
Hmm.
2015 here. Before that, I was in different company, multinational company, in Delhi, as well as uh, spent some time from your state as well, Gujarat,
Hmm.
Ahmedabad.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And now, from last year, when the situation has created that COVID, from that time I just started my job as well. My work business, you can say. That business is related to e-commerce. Okay, e-commerce.
Hmm.
I'm selling. You can say that I'm the seller on Flipkart or Amazon.
Yeah.
Different item I have. I'm just selling on Flipkart and Amazon. That is my to survive my life. Just
Yes, I see. What you sell in Amazon and Flipkart? What do you sell?
that is that you can say that one part is the juicer I am selling over there, and that some cloths are selling on over there, and that some cutlery part also I'm selling over there, as well as some copper bottle as well I'm selling over there. So
Okay.
these are the selective things which I'm selling over there.
Hmm. Okay. There is two perspective. Wherever you work, wherever you go, any kind of a business, there is two perspective. What do you think? Amazon and
Mhm.
Flipkart is good. What do you think? What do you think? Tell me your experience.
uh, yes, very
Which
things,
is the good
very
thing?
good.
Which is the good thing? First of all, tell me the good thing, and the later on tell me you have had a bad experience about that.
Yes. First of all, I will discuss related to Flipkart. Okay.
Yeah.
And then after I'll go. Then I'll go with that Amazon.
Mhm.
Uh, on Flipkart, there is
Mhm.
business is good. Business is good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
But
Mhm.
there is one thing which is very bad practice which I learned here, that
Mhm.
if you are selling on daily basis, example I'm giving to you, 50
Mhm.
items has been dispatched from your warehouse. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
Mhm.
what you will get after 2 days, that 50 items which you see dispatch,
Mhm.
that 10%, 10 to 20% will be returned, will be come back. to your warehouse.
Yeah.
Why? There is some different reason that the customer they
Yeah.
didn't pick the call, or something like the address which is given by customer, that address is not perfect, or whatever.
Mhm.
Like another things you that person who has ordered, that they are not interested to again purchase or something. So that matlab, I mean to say that percentage of the order versus return is
Mhm.
high. Order
Yeah.
versus return, that is high. This is
Yeah.
a very bad practice. I'm just getting very bad experience from there.
Yes. Yes. I
and
see.
and second thing is, important point is, there is
Mhm.
no need to look to customer. That
Mhm.
once you uploaded your item pics on the website, pan India
Mhm.
people will look that things, and that they will purchase. So that
Yeah.
related to your selling point of view, the
Mhm.
count accord, if you are comparing with the retailers like shop versus online, that you will get more order
Yeah.
according related to your that shop. But if
Mhm.
you are talking about the profit perspective, that profit
Yeah.
is less than from shop
Mhm.
and that online. This
Yeah.
is the things. And another things which I got, that losses
Yeah.
losses is very high. Losses is very high.
Yeah.
Sometimes you are sending the some item,
Mhm.
after 10 days that will come to your warehouse. At that moment you will find that that item has been broken, that item has been damaged. So it is
Yeah.
completely loss. It is
Yeah.
completely loss.
Yes. Yes.
So my point of view, that online business is not good, just because two things. That
Yeah.
first point is margin is very low.
Yeah.
Second is once the customer return or whatever return will come at my warehouse, that is uh 50% chances that item is not perfect, that item should not sell again.
Yeah.
So this is the very bad things
Yes.
on this business only.
Yes. Yes.
Now I'm coming on the Amazon point of view. Okay.
Yes.
Amazon, that they people are very confident on the Amazon item, whatever item is over Amazon, that people
Mhm.
are thinking that whatever pics is available on Amazon, that would be very good. And
Yeah.
Amazon guideline is related to seller, they very tough, not tough, you can say very strict. Okay.
Fix. Yeah.
So we cannot by any chance we cannot
Mhm.
give them the wrong item. Why?
Yeah.
When I will give them the wrong item, like color mismatch, item is same
Yeah.
but color is not match. In this
Yeah.
situation, once the customer will give the customer will return, at that moment penalty is very high. Okay.
Yes.
So
Mhm.
in this situation, that we cannot survive on that, because they will
Yep.
also hold the account or reject the account. They
Mm.
strictly they are following. So Amazon is
Yes.
related to the payment, they are also giving the good payment, as well as they are giving a good profit, as well as they are not the people who is buying on the Amazon, they are not it means return is very less. Return is very less.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
this is the things.
Mhm.
But if you are talking about the profit and loss point of view, uh, in compare of the retail point of view, that
Mhm.
profit is very low, very low. This is the my experience all about these two platform.
Yeah. Yeah. I have one question, sir. Suppose
Hmm,
I bought one shoes from your warehouse, okay, through Flipkart,
yes,
okay.
nice.
I paid online amount, completely online,
Hmm,
finished.
hmm.
And then after receiving, I I really don't like the product. Somehow I really don't like, whether it's the quality issue or color issue or whatever. So I send it
Yes.
back to you, or I Flipkart send
Hmm.
it back to you. Then
Yes,
in
yes.
such case, I got my money refund back. In that case, I got my money refund back. But what happened? You know, the delivery charge. You have to pay the delivery charge, or what? Who will pay the delivery charge?
Mm,
How the system works?
that system is very clear that here there is no, because Flipkart or Amazon or you can say the Ola or whatever, they are focusing on the services of the customer, of the
Yeah.
customer only,
Mhm.
of the
Yeah.
customer only. So there is no nothing will be deducted from your account. It means
Yeah.
whatever you have paid, that much amount will be directly returned to your account. Okay,
Yeah.
that
Mhm.
return amount, whatever the courier charges or transportation charges, you can say that will impact by seller only. This is the
Yeah.
this guideline is for both, for the
Yeah.
Amazon as well as the Flipkart as well.
Yeah.
But the charges of the this thing is different, like 200 or 175. That is the depend on the locality as well.
Yeah. But at the end, you people are in the loss. Not Amazon, not in Flipkart. You people are in the
Yes,
loss.
yes, yes,
They are the
yes.
king. They are
Only,
still
only,
earning.
one.
They are still earning. You know, they are still
Yes,
earning.
they are only,
Whether customer
only.
like the product or not, it doesn't matter for them. Whether customer like,
No, no.
whether they purchase or not, it doesn't matter for them. They are just providing
The
you a platform where you can sell your product only. And after later on,
yes,
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for them that customer would like to buy your product or would like to send them back. They don't care at all. You
yes,
know.
yeah, yeah.
In case, you know, they should bring some changes. You know, they should reform. They should bring some you know, generate new policies that, you know, customer has to pay the amount, like a
No,
delivery charge.
yes,
I think so.
in this, in this situation, my opinion is that if the customer giving the right information
Yeah.
to returning this point, to returning
Yeah.
this point,
Yeah.
they should also verify that sometimes customer, what is happening here, sometimes customer they are not interested to that they feel that they are that quality is not good up to the which is seen on the picture. Okay,
Yeah.
they have written on
Mhm.
that.
Yeah.
So the service provider should also ensure these things, keep
Mhm.
customer which is returning on that quality which is put it on the platform, that is matching or not. If the matching and the customer sending back intentionally just because somebody told that this is not good, okay, so they
Yeah.
just return it. In this
Yeah.
situation they should also pay the sum of the amount or penalty
Yeah.
amount, you can say.
Yeah.
So it can be beneficial to the as well as the platform, as well as the customer, as well as the
Yeah.
that seller, because
Yes.
what I feel
Hmm.
competition is very high, competition is very
Yeah.
high. Somebody has put it the 775 rupees for
Yeah.
the item which is I am sending, which is I am selling. Same item
Mhm.
somebody also can say. No,
Yeah.
there is no restriction as well. So in this scenario, somebody will give the price 770. So customer
Yeah.
definitely will go with that only because they are getting 5 rupees less.
Yes.
So definitely they will prefer on that.
Yeah.
In Indian culture, which I understood or which I am getting to the locality as well as well. Even I'm also if I'm thinking that same item is over there, so why should I pay 5 rupees to them? I should go
Yes,
with
yes,
which is less.
yes, yes. Same here.
So
Me too.
so
I do as well. Yes, right.
okay.
Yeah. So, sir, what's your reason that why you want to enhance your English? Well, you can speak. I can see now. Why you want?
Uh, okay. Yes, this is the nice question from your side. Actually, uh, I just which I got from past 5 or 7 years. I
Yeah,
cannot. I just I do not want to break it. I just
yeah,
want to improve there. Even I'm
yeah.
also learning on. I'm learning on the American accent as well. I'm just
Yes,
learning
yes.
on American accent. Definitely, I will be go with that only also because I know that there is no need. I hope that this accent will not require for whatever I am doing here, but
Mm,
it can be help for me. And one thing is, I understand that if I have the some different, I have the quality that I can utilize anywhere when I get will get a chance. Okay,
yeah.
that's why I'm just